While it is more expensive to purchase an electric vehicle up front, you do see savings on the back end by saving on maintenance costs and fuel costs. There are two different types of electric vehicles, or EVs. One is a plug-in hybrid that has a battery that you can plug in, and then it will switch over to the gasoline engine once you've depleted the battery. The benefit is for someone who might have range anxiety, someone who has a longer commute, because they would be able to plug in at home and then also have the assurance that they could stop at a gas station in order to fill up the rest of their vehicle. An all-electric vehicle, though, truly uses a battery to power the entire vehicle. The benefits to driving an all-electric vehicle would be the low maintenance cost. You do not have to get your oil changed multiple times a year. The plug and forget mentality, you go home and as long as you have a charger that can charge the battery to a level that you need, you can plug it in. Overnight, you wake up the next day and you have a vehicle ready to go. The cons of driving an all-electric vehicle would be that you have to plan your route in advance. You have to make sure that whenever your battery is low, there is an EV charger readily available to get you the charge you need to get you to your next destination. Another con would be understanding the different charging manufacturers. They each have a different way for you to pay, so you would have to make sure that you have login credentials or your credit card established in that app before charging your vehicle at that particular station. Driving an electric vehicle might be right for you if you are able to charge at home. You have a short commute daily, that way you can charge efficiently in the evening, or if you'd like to save on maintenance costs. See who makes owning an EV more affordable by offering a variety of rebates. Go online to cusmartsolutions.net to see if you qualify. If you have questions on driving electric, you can reach out to our Energy Services Department at 417-874-8200.